Introducing the switching 4mm banana socket. Inside the device are two fixed insulated contacts. Insert a 4mm banana plug, and the plug bridges the contacts to make the connection. There's no mechanical switch inside. The switching happens only when the plug goes in. That makes simple circuit routing easy. Use it for signal enable, load switching, or safety interlocks without extra hardware. Fewer parts, faster design, and fewer things to fail over time. For coding and compliance, it comes in 4 colors: red, black, green, and blue. Clear channel IDs you can read on dense panels or PCBs. It's engineered for high voltage work and lab-grade durability, rated 1 kV, Cat3 and 10 amps. Gold-plated contacts keep resistance low and extend service life. The fully shrouded design improves operator protection. The right-angle PCB mount format keeps builds compact, ideal for instruments, test rigs, power electronics, and modular lab systems. Simple, robust, and built for demanding environments.